Anthropic just supercharged Excel with AI-powered Claude, and it's a game changer. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. Dewald. This is Monday, January 26, 2026. Anthropic launched Claude in Excel for Pro subscribers, delivering cell-level citations, debugging, and multi-tab support. Claude Code ditched Todos for a robust task system handling complex projects. Check demo videos for smart AI in action. Richard Saucher's recursive AI aims for a $4 billion valuation with self-improving superintelligent systems. Backed by top investors, this lab targets truly autonomous AI breakthroughs. Startup Anything hit $100 million valuation and $2 million ARR in 2 weeks. Their vibe coding lets non-tech users build real apps using AI chatbots. They call it the Shopify of vibe coding. Claudebot is a viral space lobster AI assistant working 24/7. It browses, emails, and chats across apps, remembering your preferences and nudging tasks proactively. More powerful than current ChatGPT versions, but risky as open source. Krea AI's real-time photo editing blew up with nearly 8 million views on their demo. Using cutting-edge models, they enable instant AI-powered editing and 3D object generation, a killer creative tool for instant image magic. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. Dewald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about which AI update excites you most. In the comments, give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.